Welcome back, ladies. How you're doing today? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Today's video, as you all can see by the title, it's all about wearable fall trend for 2024. Yes, on this channel I always talk about it that I don't do trend, but the reason why I'm sharing this video today is because this channel is not all about me. I have some friends out there that they want to do trend, all right, but the main purpose of this video is to let you know that you've been trending since 1964. Trust me, because most of these things are recycling, they are coming back, are things that you already have in your closet and you don't have to run out there to go get another one. And I'm going to show you why I said so. I have my list here, and ladies, you all have this in your closet. You know, I always come to you all the time to tell you that these outfits are already in your closet, even though they're going to be trendy for 2024 and you already own it like 1667. I trust me, everything I'm going to be showing you, apart from things that I do not have in my closet, I will get the picture and insert it while I talk to you about it. But apart from that, I can assure you that everything in this list of mine, I have some of them in my closet, and I believe you do too. So you don't have to rush out there to go purchase another one except you need it. So the first on my list is denim on denim. You all know we'll be rocking denim on denim for a very long time, and I told you this thing they recycle, and we have denim on denim for fall trend 2024. But the only slight difference now is a darker shade of denim. I do not own a darker shade of top of denim, but I do have the bottom. That is why I paired the way I paired it. But if you have dark denim in your closet, this is the time for you to pair them together and rock it for fall. The next thing on my list is fall leather. Yes, a lot of people will say fake leather. Some people call it fox. I've realized it's called fall. So fall leather. But this time they're going to create something like a wet look. You know how some of this leather can be shining, so you're going to combine it. So we are talking about leather upon leather. We're going to see it in dresses and skirts. We're going to see it in pants, you know, the jackets combined together. Those are what is going to be trending now, and I happen to have fall leather in my closet. This particular bottom is from Zara, and the top is from what they call a black white markets. I think that's the name of the market. Both of them, I just combine them together. It might not have that wet look, but if you have those kind of fall leather that they are look like a water kind of like this on the screen, you can combine them together to get this trend. I did not purchase this new, all this I have them in my closet, so you might also have something very close or very similar to it in your closet. So ladies, go get it out for fall 2024. The next thing on my list is transparent outfits. I'm talking about sheer outfits. All right, most of us, we have it in our closet already, and there's a way I'm going to wear it that I wouldn't want it to look tacky. I don't really have more of sheer in my closet. This is what I own, so I combine these two together. The turtleneck, the sleeve is sheer, and this particular one on top of it is a different brand entirely. I just pop it on top of each other just to show you what I'm talking about. But they do have different styles of sheer right now for fall 2024. So if you have something, you know, transparent outfit, if you want to, you know, how to dress it, to put something under it so you don't look like you're naked on the streets, that's another trend for fall 2024. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. The next thing on my list is plaid prints. When I went on Google and on YouTube, on Pinterest, what I see most is plaid print in creamy coffee, you know, that a little bit dark shade. We all know fall is all about dark shade, yes. So this is why I say you might own this in your closet already. This particular picture that I inserted of mine is from last year fall/winter. So it's plaid is coming back into fall trend 2024, so why not go bring yours out and rock it, ladies. You do not need to go and purchase another one except you need it. The next one is cozy cardigan. They are thicker cardigan. I don't have cardigan, but I have a sweater that is that I feel like every time I wear it I'll be sweaty. We all know we need this. So if you have a cozy cardigan like this ones on the screen, you can go ahead and bring them out and use them. But if you don't have it and you feel like you want to wear what is trend for fall, you might as well go ahead and purchase one. The next one on my list is called the Wild Card. When we're talking about this, we're talking about leopard prints, and the leopard print that we're talking about are not the ones that are colored artificially look like the one I'm showing you right now. Those ones that have like purple, pink, neon color on them, you know, to mimic animal prints. They are not the type we're talking about. We're talking about the classic leopard prints, and that you know that the ones that look like, you know, leopard, like animal skin, those going to be trending. You're going to see them in different styles: pants, skirts, dresses, shirts. You're going to see them in different prints, but in different styles. So if you have this in your closet like I do, you can see that I have the shirts and also have the skirts, and also have another skirt which is leopard, that print, but it does not fit into this video, so I set that one aside. So the next thing I'm going to be moving on to, yes, I have this hat on, and I'm going to tell you the reason why. Is because the next thing I'm moving on to, their colors. So I have two colors to present to you. There are many other more, but I do not want to prolong this video. All right, so the first one is cherry red, which I believe this dress I have on will fit perfectly into that family. Also this hat, what I noticed mostly, it's they are more of accessories, not clothing, when it comes to cherry red. So you have purses, shoes, boots, hats, you know, in cherry red. You can bring them out because they fall into this category for fall trend 2024. I also have this purse that I purchased a while ago, and it's going to fall into this trend as well. I really like it. It's very portable, it's very beautiful, and very affordable as well. Also I have a moccasin that is flat that I'm going to be rocking for fall. Also I have this in my closet. This is why I say most of these things is possible for you to have them or own them already in your closet, so you don't need to go and purchase it. I really love this hat. I think I'm just going to leave it on for now. Maybe I will take it off, just depending on how I'm feeling. So the next one on my list is green. We are talking about olive green. It's going to be, we're going into fall. Yes, you can think about this. It's like they're coming back. Fall, when you think about fall, we're talking about trees, we're talking about, you know, all those colors, they change color and all that. Now the next thing on my list is full skirts, which I do not own one, but I would love to buy some, but not just because for the purpose of the trend, but you know, just to have that flowy kind of skirt in my closet. I really like it. I can pair them with different kind of top. But if you have full skirts, you're going to see them in different, you know, different colors during this fall 2024. And the last on my list also is what I do not own, because I don't even live in the climate where I live right now. It's get very cold, and this is not my permanent residence because we tend to move. So I do not see the need why I should purchase this particular one. But if you want to look like, you know, all those rich mob wife, you will have this. You can add this to your collection for fall 2024. I'm talking about fall. All right, you see those animal very thick kind of fur. It's not for everybody. It does not look good for everybody. I think it might not look good on me because they are too, I feel like they are too big. And if you want to give them the look of that rich mob wife, yes, you can go ahead and bring yours out if you have it in your closet already, or if you don't have it, you can go ahead and purchase it because they're going to have it all trending for 2024. So ladies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Which of this trend do you already have since 1664 in your closet? Please leave it in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.